Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at what's happening in the marketplace today with stock movers. We do that today with Bloomberg's Emily. Emily, what are you looking at?
Okay, so I'm looking at shares of Lululemon, ticker LULU, L-U-L-U, up 13% right now, the highest level since July after the company boosted its full year outlook. And they said that the CEO Calvin McDonald is going to be stepping down after a period of sluggish growth. So the stock had been down more than 50% through Thursday's close. We got the news late yesterday about the CEO stepping down, and now it's boosting the shares. And if you look at like a chart here of the comp store sales growth for Lululemon, it's been declining for at least the last 2 years. There's been rising competition in the athleisure space. Yeah. It's not just Lululemon anymore, which, you know, those leggings are very expensive.
That's what I hear.
There are a lot of other legging brands.
Are you guys Lulu people?
No, not necessarily.
I will say this is not a tout for Lululemon, but I will say all of the Lulu products that I have hold up really well.
That's what I hear.
Yeah.
So then you don't have to buy anymore. So maybe that's why they're not selling as many leggings, because the product
you get what you pay for.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. But there's just a lot of other athleisure companies out there. Athleta, which their parent company is Gap, Alo, Vuori, Amazon.
I mean,
it's tough out there.
I'm going to say like a year ago, Derek Jeter came in here because he was doing a partnership on the athleisure space with a guy from the Untucked shirt dude. Mm-hmm. And I go to Derek afterwards, why are you doing this, man? It's so competitive.
Yeah.
You're going to go up against Nike and all. Are you kidding me? I don't know. He's smarter than I am, I guess. We'll see how that goes. All right, what else you got for us?
Okay, so I'm also watching shares of Broadcom, ticker AVGO. It's down 9%, the biggest decline since April. Lisa Mateo was giving us the rundown, but I'll go through it again. The chip company's sales outlook for AI computing revenue missed expectations. The stock had run up quite a bit, so the expectations were quite high going into the earnings, and their CEO Hock Tan said just yesterday on a conference call with analysts, the company has a backlog of $73 billion in AI product orders that will be shipped over the next 6 quarters. That doesn't sound like a bad thing, but the number disappointed some investors here that it wasn't quite enough. And people are very sensitive right now when it comes to companies are spending on AI. Are they actually generating a profit? And how quickly can they generate that profit? So anything that misses expectations, it feels like it really brings the stock down.
Yeah, sounds like Broadcom was really just a victim of really, really high expectations. So even if it did well, it's not good enough. All right, Emily, one more. You're looking at cannabis stocks today, which are soaring high.
Yes, they are soaring much higher. Tilray Brands is one of those cannabis companies.
Gummies.
Ticker TLRY. It was up as much as 44% on an intraday basis. Now it's up about 26%. We have reporting out today that Trump is expected to direct his administration to reclassify marijuana as a less dangerous drug. This is big news because cannabis is currently labeled as Schedule 1 drug, up there with heroin and LSD. This means that it's categorized as having no medical use. And so Trump is pushing it back to reclassifying it as a Schedule 2 drug, which is seen in the industry as something that would boost sales and be good. But there was kind of news of this back in August that Trump said he was going to reclassify it. And there was a big move in the stocks, and then it kind of reversed. So we'll see if he actually makes this move and the stock gains hold.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.